Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today you join me in my garage, and you might be wondering, I got the M2 sitting over here. The Tesla's outside. Why is the Tesla outside? Well, we have a new car coming that's gonna take this spot right here. So I'm a doer, not a talker. I told you guys I was looking at some new cars, some fun, secondary fun cars. And we're gonna have a new car in this spot right here. So just waiting for the transporter to drop it off. So once it gets here, I'll obviously film the car, getting off the truck and everything. But the Tesla's gonna be in the driveway now, no longer in the garage. Let me know what you guys think my garage setup should be, or I should say garage and driveway setup. Should I have the Tesla here and then the M2 where it's always been, or should I move the M2 back over to this side like it was a while back before I had the Tesla charger over here? Oh, actually it's over. Yeah, Tesla charger right there. I don't know why I forgot where it was, but if I park the Tesla here, then I can still get the charger to it because it'll probably be able to reach, but I don't know. Still trying to decide on where I should put the Tesla. I kind of want to put it over there because I'm probably going to be driving this car a lot when I first get it and make a lot of videos and stuff on it. So yeah, I'm just trying to decide where I should put all these cars at. But yeah, I'm very excited. Definitely stay tuned. We're gonna fast forward to when the truck gets here. All right, guys, here it is. It is a Toyota Supra. I know this is probably unexpected. There it is. Very dirty right now, but we will have to get it all cleaned up. It makes a little bit of noise. It does have an aftermarket exhaust. I'll go over everything that's on it a little bit later. That wing actually looks pretty cool. I didn't know how I felt about it at first, but it looks pretty cool. This must be nerve-wracking for them. Definitely a little nerve-wracking for me. There we go. All right, guys, we're here at the house. Obviously, the car is extremely dirty. It's definitely, you can tell it's definitely a used car, right? It's not perfect, but just needs to be cleaned up. Like, it looks really bad right now, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up eventually. Yeah, we'll get it cleaned up. But yeah, it looks like it went off-roading. but yeah, it looks cool for the most part. Wing looks like it's on there pretty good. Let's check out the inside here. I haven't even adjusted the seat correctly or tried to get it to fit or anything like that yet. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's pretty good for the miles. I see a little dent right there, right? It's pretty good for the miles. Little scratch there. But yeah, it's definitely a used car, but that's okay. I'm gonna have my fun with it, and then hopefully after like a year or so, if it doesn't give me any problems, I just sell it and then get something else. But yeah, definitely stay tuned. We definitely got a lot of stuff coming on this car. I'll try to get it cleaned up a little bit for you guys and hopefully pick up this video later, because I want to take you guys for like a first drive in this. But yeah, just kind of overall just checking it out, taking it in. So I will catch you guys in a second. In this video, we're going to be walking around the cars just so I can show you guys everything, show you guys the options. Just got it detailed so it looks nice now. It looks good on camera. In person, you can see the imperfections of it, obviously being a used car, but on camera, it actually looks really good. Previous owner put this spoiler on it. It doesn't normally come like that. The one downside to that is that when you open the trunk, it's kind of like hard to open because that wing is actually pretty heavy. I think it looks okay. I did retint the front windows because just the back was tinted and the front was not. So front windows are retinted. We got that brow off up here. So now we have better visibility. You can see this is the 3.0 Premium. It's got the nice red brake calipers, the LED headlights and everything. I took the tow hook, or I should say the license plate bracket thing out of the way. So that's no longer there. We don't need a front plate in Vegas. Just figured I'd show you guys the inside here. So as you can tell, we got it all detailed up, got it all nice and clean in here. The seats are all clean, but nothing too much to see here. Basically, it's just a typical Supra interior. Since it's a premium, it does have a bigger screen over there. This one has 37,000 miles. Here, we're gonna take it for a spin in a second. I'll show you guys this rear trunk area because this is kind of cool. I like that it has a hatch. I do like my hatches. Lift this up here. Got to muscle through that big old wing. And there's our trunk. So it's actually a pretty decent size little trunk in here. I mean, you can put some small items in here, and it comes with this cover, which is nice as well. All right, guys, we are cruising in the Supra. We got our heat on full blast. It is 38 according to the car, but my phone was saying it was like 33 outside. But needless to say, it is super cold. One thing I'm gonna get fixed today is taking this brow off, because since I'm super tall, this brow makes my visibility even worse, because this car is like not the greatest for visibility, especially if you're tall, and the brow makes it worse. So I'm gonna get that taken off, so then I'll be able to see a little bit more out of the front. This car does have some bolt-ons. It has a catted downpipe, has a Magnaflow X-Force exhaust, and an intake, but it's not tuned, so it's still on the stock tune. I mean, I don't think the bolt-ons are really going to do anything without a tune. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so I told you guys I'd give you guys some kind of like first impressions. So first impressions, yeah, it does feel a little tight in here, as I expected. I've already driven a Supra before, but I can still fit even at my height. I do have to kind of adjust a little bit the way that I sit, but I can still fit. The only thing is that looking out the side, the window kind of curves down, so it doesn't have the greatest visibility over here. And then the brow makes the front visibility bad, but that's gonna go away pretty soon. And then looking over here, right, you can't really see what's in your blind spot over there, but it does have like the blind spot monitor and all that stuff. This is a Supra Premium, so yeah. Steering wheel is very thin compared to the M2, and I will be making tons of videos comparing to the M2, even though I know they're not really like, I mean, I guess they're kind of comparable. They are both, yeah, I mean, they are kind of comparable. So I'll be making a lot of videos comparing this to the M2. The typical videos that I like to make when I get a new car, the why did I buy it, how much, comparing to other cars, doing some racing, all the good stuff. So I'll definitely be making all those videos for you guys. Hopefully this vehicle will be reliable for me. It has 37,000 miles, so let's see. So there it is, 37,000 miles, and it's a one-owner vehicle, no accidents on the Carfax. I know the person that I bought it from, which is kind of nice. He actually was on the channel before, so the OGs that watch the channel will know that they've seen this car on the channel before, because I raced him in my Mustang, I raced him in my Golf R. Has an intake, you can kind of hear it. That's kind of a cool sound. All right, guys, I hate to leave you guys on a cliffhanger, but I want to save the draggy testing for a different video. But yeah, this video is basically just showing you guys the new car. There's tons of stuff to come. Definitely stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the new Supra? And I will see you in the next one.